Stop, Agent. We have a major problem. Look at that wall. It's too high. Your standard version 1.0 Periscope was great for basic training, but in the field, it just failed the test. If you can't see over the obstacle, the mission is over before it begins. But don't panic at the Secret Agent Academy. We don't give up, we upgrade. Today, we're initiating mission number 7, the Eagle Eye. We're moving beyond the cereal box. We are building a modular, telescoping viewer that can grow in height and rotate 360 degrees. Imagine being able to see over a garden fence or a high wall while staying completely hidden. This is the ultimate tool for advanced, long-range surveillance. If you can master this build, you earn the most prestigious rank yet, the Eagle Eye badge. Take a deep breath, Agent. The upgrade starts now. Let's go into the optical lab for a deep dive briefing. Why does a periscope even work? It's all about the law of reflection. Light always travels in a straight line, it never curves. To see over a wall, we have to trick the light into a zigzag. In our old version, we had two mirrors fixed in place, but version 2.0 is different. We're using parallel sliding tech. By fitting one tube inside another, we can change the distance between our mirrors. Most people think if you pull the mirrors apart, you lose the image. But as long as the mirrors stay at a perfect 45-degree angle, that tunnel of light stays open. This is the exact same tech used in billion-dollar submarines in the deepest parts of the ocean. You're building professional-grade naval technology in your own living room. Wait, your gear is useless if your eyes aren't trained. It's time for the Spy Reflex Test Level 7. This is the hardest one yet. Round 1, the 360 sweep. A target is orbiting around you in a full circle. You have 10 seconds to track its movement without turning your body. Keep your head steady. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Target locked. Round 2, the angle crack. Look at these two mirrors on your screen. They're slightly out of alignment. One is at 45 degrees, the other is at 40. Which one will show you the sky instead of the target? Is it A or B? If you chose B, you're an optics genius. Round 3, the long-range scan. A cloaked agent is hiding behind a wall that is slowly rising. You have 15 seconds to adjust your virtual periscope to keep them in sight. Don't lose them. Incredible work, Agent. You have the focus of an eagle. Time to build. For version 2.0, you need different size tubes. One must fit snugly inside the other. If they're too loose, your mirrors will wobble. Step 1, the windows. Cut a window in the top of your smaller tube and the bottom of your larger tube. Step 2, the mirror mounts. Use cardboard scraps to make 45-degree wedges. Glue your mirrors to these wedges. Step 3, the assembly. Slide the small tube into the large one. Make sure the mirrors are facing each other. The test, pull the tubes apart. Does the image stay clear? Now rotate the top tube. You are now seeing behind you while facing forward. You are officially invisible. Mission accomplished. You have built the most advanced optical device in the entire academy. You have earned the Eagle Eye badge. This is a symbol of your engineering mastery. But remember, a spy who can see everything is still in danger. Stay caught and communicate with headquarters in secret. Next time, we enter the world of encryption in mission number 8, the Codebreaker's Wheel. We're going to build a device to scramble your messages so nitrogen monoxide 1 can read them. Hit that red subscribe button to stay in the loop. The Academy is dismissed.